Alright, so this is probably the shortest podcast ever, but we're basically going to define three things. So our first thing, and they all start with S, is going to be solution. And a solution, we've dealt with a lot of these already this year, but a solution is simply a homogeneous mixture. And when we refer to these, we typically refer to liquid homogeneous mixtures. And again, just a refresher, homogeneous mixtures are liquids, especially, that look the same throughout. So some good solutions would be Kool-Aid, but whenever I mix chemicals for you and you use them in lab, if something's clear and it's kind of transparent and it's a uniform color, that would be a solution. Okay? So we make a solution using two things. Again, they both start with S. So the first thing is we have a solvent. And a solvent can kind of be defined one of two ways. A solvent is the thing that's in greater quantity, okay? Or it's typically the substance that's doing the dissolving. And the one that's the substance that's most frequently the solvent is water. Alright, pretty much in lab, everything that you have are chemicals. Typically they're solid chemicals, and I put them in water and make them the solution, the concentration I want them, and they fall apart, they dissolve, and some of them turn colors, others of them stay colorless, but I usually dissolve them in water. And then our other thing is our solute. Okay? So we have a solvent and a solute, and the solute is the substance that's being dissolved. Alright, and that is it. So again, solutions are made up of a solvent and a solute. The solvent's the thing in greater quantity. So we could have a solution of gases. A good example would be the atmosphere. The atmosphere is primarily made up of nitrogen gas. So in this instance, nitrogen is really the solvent, and there's a bunch of solutes. There's oxygen gas, there's carbon dioxide gas, there's a little bit of argon, there's kind of some pollutants, there's stuff that comes out of our cars that we don't want, smog, stuff like that. But nitrogen, because it's in greater quantity, is obviously the thing doing the dissolving because there's more of it. So again, solution, solvent, solute. If you have those things in mind for this unit, you'll be fine.